Did you know eating a high-protein diet can actually help your body burn up to 100 extra calories a day, just through digestion alone? Combine that with low-carb meals, and you've got one of the most effective strategies for weight loss, fat burning, and stable energy. No more sugar crashes, no more feeling hungry all the time, just simple, tasty, and powerful meals that keep you on track. In this video, we're diving into the best high-protein, low-carb meals for weight loss, from breakfast to lunch to dinner, plus practical tips to make meal prep easy and sustainable. If you've been struggling with cravings or slow results, these recipes might be the game changer you need. If you want to succeed with high-protein, low-carb meals for weight loss, you need to understand why this combo is so powerful. Unlike other plans, a low-carb, high-protein diet plan helps your body burn fat while keeping energy stable. Protein-rich low-carb foods like eggs, chicken, and salmon boost metabolism because of the thermic effect of food. That's why weight loss high-protein recipes are considered some of the best high-protein, low-carb meals. Eating low-carb, high-protein recipes reduces insulin spikes, meaning less fat storage. That's why options like cauliflower rice high-protein meals or zucchini noodle high-protein meals are perfect replacements for starchy carbs. Another big benefit: preserving lean muscle. By choosing chicken low-carb high-protein meals, beef stir-fry low-carb high-protein, or even shrimp low-carb high-protein dinner, you protect muscle while accelerating fat loss. Finally, this approach provides steady energy. Whether it's a high-protein low-carb breakfast like egg muffins low-carb protein, a high-protein low-carb lunch with tuna low-carb protein meals, or a high-protein low-carb dinner like salmon with veggies, you'll have fuel without crashes. These are not just simple high-protein low-carb meals, they're also low-carb metabolism-boosting meals that support long-term results. With meal prep high-protein low-carb strategies, you can create macro-friendly high-protein meals in bulk, perfect for busy women and men. And the best part? These are easy high-protein low-carb recipes, most done in under 30 minutes. Whether you want low-carb protein breakfast ideas, low-carb protein lunch ideas, or low-carb protein dinner ideas, you'll always have delicious meals ready. Let's start the day with high-protein low-carb breakfast ideas that are simple, quick, and filling. These are perfect if you want high-protein low-carb meals for weight loss that keep hunger away all morning. First, egg muffins low-carb protein, a go-to for low-carb protein breakfast ideas. They're portable, delicious, and packed with protein. You can prep them ahead for the week, making them part of your meal prep high-protein low-carb routine. Another quick option is Greek yogurt with chia seeds and nuts. It's one of the best high-protein low-carb meals because it combines protein with healthy fats. Add berries for flavor while still keeping it part of healthy high-protein low-carb foods. If you love savory, try smoked salmon and avocado bowls. These are salmon low-carb meals that give you omega-3s plus protein, perfect for a refreshing low-carb protein breakfast idea. For a sweet option, make protein pancakes low-carb using almond flour and whey protein. These simple high-protein low-carb meals taste like comfort food, but fit perfectly in a low-carb lifestyle diet plan. Finally, cottage cheese with berries. This is one of the easiest cottage cheese protein recipes, rich in protein and low in carbs. It's quick, satisfying, and great if you need quick high-protein low-carb meals in the morning. These balanced low-carb high-protein meals prove that breakfast doesn't have to be boring. Whether you're looking for keto high-protein low-carb meals or weight loss high-protein recipes, these ideas fit perfectly into your low-carb high-protein diet for women or low-carb high-protein diet for men. Lunchtime is where many people slip, but with these high-protein low-carb lunch ideas, staying on track becomes easy. These low-carb high-protein recipes are satisfying, energizing, and perfect for work or home. One of my favorites is chicken low-carb high-protein meals like a chicken Caesar salad. Just skip the croutons. It's a macro-friendly high-protein meal that's light yet filling. For something fun, try turkey low-carb recipes like lettuce wraps. They're crunchy, flavorful, and one of the best high-protein low-carb meals for quick prep. If you love creamy meals, Tuna low-carb protein meals like tuna stuffed avocado are perfect. It's one of those quick high-protein low-carb meals that's also portable and works well in meal prep containers for protein meals. Another option is salmon low-carb meals, like grilled salmon with spinach salad. These are low-carb metabolism-boosting meals, packed with omega-3s and protein. If you need something hearty, try a beef stir-fry low-carb high-protein with broccoli. Use cauliflower rice to make it one of the best cauliflower rice, high-protein meals that doubles as a great low-carb protein lunch idea. These protein bowls low-carb and high-protein salads low-carb are not only delicious, but also practical. They fit perfectly into a low-carb high-protein diet plan and are ideal for meal prep high-protein low-carb routines. Dinner is the perfect time to enjoy high-protein low-carb meals for weight loss that keep you satisfied without feeling heavy. These low-carb protein dinner ideas are flavorful, quick, and perfect after a long day. Try baked chicken breast with zucchini noodles. This is one of those zucchini noodle high-protein meals that feels like pasta, but keeps carbs low, truly a simple high-protein low-carb meal. For seafood lovers, a shrimp low-carb high-protein dinner with asparagus in a skillet is a winner. It's a low-carb meal under 30 minutes and also works great for keto high-protein low-carb meals. If you crave something hearty, a grilled steak with roasted Brussels sprouts is both satisfying and part of a muscle-building low-carb meal. It's one of my favorite weight loss high-protein recipes. Looking for comfort food? Swap mashed potatoes for cauliflower. Salmon with cauliflower mash is one of the best balanced low-carb high-protein meals, a true low-carb weight loss recipe. Another go-to is turkey meatballs with sautéed spinach. These turkey low-carb recipes are flavorful, light, and perfect for a fat loss low-carb high-protein plan. With these dinners, you'll never run out of easy high-protein low-carb recipes. Whether it's grilled chicken low-carb recipes or a skillet stir-fry, these meals fit perfectly into a low-carb lifestyle diet plan. The secret to sticking with high-protein low-carb meals for weight loss is preparation. That's where meal prep high-protein low-carb comes in. It saves time, money, and keeps you on track. Cook proteins in bulk. Think chicken, turkey, or salmon. These make perfect bases for chicken low-carb high-protein meals and salmon low-carb meals throughout the week. Use meal prep containers for protein meals so you can easily portion and grab food on busy days. Having macro-friendly high-protein meals ready makes healthy eating effortless. Swap starchy carbs with lighter options like cauliflower rice, zucchini noodles, or lettuce wraps. These swaps make cauliflower rice high-protein meals and zucchini noodle high-protein meals taste amazing while keeping carbs low. Keep quick snacks on hand. Boiled eggs, cheese sticks, or nuts. These are low-carb protein-rich snacks and quick high-protein snacks low-carb that stop cravings before they start. Meal prepping also helps with low-carb protein meal prep for both men and women, making it easier to follow a low-carb high-protein diet plan without stress. With these strategies, you'll always have easy high-protein low-carb recipes ready, whether it's lunch, dinner, or snacks. That's the power of planning. Even the best weight loss high-protein recipes can fail if you make these common mistakes. Let's make sure you avoid them. First, eating too much fat. Many people on a low-carb high-protein diet plan go heavy on cheese and oils. Remember, balance matters for a true fat loss low-carb high-protein plan. Second, skipping vegetables. Fiber is crucial. Without it, even the best high-protein low-carb meals won't keep your digestion happy. Third, relying only on protein shakes. Sure, protein shakes low-carb and protein smoothie low-carb are helpful, but whole foods like chicken, eggs, and fish are more nutrient-dense. Fourth, not drinking enough water. High protein needs hydration to process efficiently. Without it, your low-carb metabolism-boosting meals won't deliver the best results. And finally, inconsistency. The most powerful low-carb lifestyle diet plan isn't about perfection. It's about showing up every day with small, consistent choices. Avoid these pitfalls, and your simple high-protein low-carb meals will actually do what they're supposed to: help you lose fat, keep energy high, and feel amazing. So we've explored the power of high-protein, low-carb meals for weight loss, from breakfast, lunch, dinner, and even snacks. When you focus on balanced, low-carb, high-protein meals, you're not just losing fat, you're building a lifestyle that fuels your body long-term. Whether your goal is fat loss or strength, macro-friendly high-protein meals and muscle-building low-carb meals give your body the edge it needs. Remember, the best high-protein, low-carb meals are the ones you'll actually enjoy and stick to. So start small. Swap just one meal for a quick high-protein, low-carb meal and watch how your energy and fat loss change. Your journey doesn't have to be complicated. A low-carb lifestyle diet plan can be simple, sustainable, and delicious. Now it's your turn. Try one of these recipes this week and let me know in the comments which low-carb, high-protein recipes became your favorite. And don't forget, like this video, subscribe for more weight loss high-protein recipes, and share it with someone who needs healthy inspiration.